This is the BISSELL SpinWave, the hard floor cleaner that will get rid of your mop and bucket for good. I'm going to show you how to assemble the SpinWave and get it ready for use. Let's get it unpacked. Inside the box you'll find your SpinWave and 2 sets of cleaning pads. They're machine washable and 1 set is already attached to the bottom of your machine. You've also got a bottle of cleaning formula. The handle is already partially attached, so all we need to do is click it in place. Now, these pads are already attached to the bottom of the machine, but to take them off, you simply pull them because they're attached with Velcro. And then to put them back on, the best way is to fold the pad in half and reattach, lining this straight line with the center, pressing down, and then fold the other side down and press down the same way. On the back of the machine is a cable tidy, making it very good for tidying away in small spaces. And there you go. There's your SpinWave ready to use.